How to list your rental property for maximum profit. In this video, we'll go through the essential steps to help you list your rental property for maximum profit. First, it's crucial to conduct market research. Look at similar rental properties in your area and see what they're offering in terms of amenities, rent prices, and lease terms. Understanding the competition will help you set a competitive price and identify unique selling points for your property. Next, make your property stand out by enhancing its curb appeal. This could mean a fresh coat of paint, attractive landscaping, or even small upgrades like modern fixtures and fittings. First impressions matter, and a welcoming appearance can justify a higher rent. Professional photos are a must. High-quality images showcase your property in the best light and draw in more potential renters. Consider hiring a professional photographer or invest time in staging each room beautifully to highlight the space and flow of your rental. Craft a compelling listing description. Highlight the best features of your property, such as location perks, included amenities, or any recent renovations. Be clear about lease terms, pet policies, and other details to manage expectations and attract serious inquiries. Don't underestimate the power of digital marketing. List your rental on popular real estate platforms like Zillow, Trulia, or Craigslist and share it on social media. A well-optimized online profile can significantly increase visibility and attract a larger pool of potential tenants. Screen your tenants carefully. A thorough screening process, including background checks and references, ensures you find responsible tenants who will respect your property and pay rent on time. Lastly, consider offering incentives like a reduced first month's rent or a small gift card to encourage swift applications. These small perks can often make your listing more attractive in a competitive market.